Greetings. Today I want to speak to you concerning how to create money every day. And when I speak about creating money, I'm speaking about manipulating energy, because money is energy and everything is energy, vibration and frequency, and you are also a mass of energy. So this is how it works. Now, if you look around, all around the world, they are minting money everywhere, and every day money is being minted, and these money, they have their own inscription upon them, and these inscriptions that are upon these monies all around the world, they were first a thought, they were first an idea, they were first imagined by those who put the mint in place, or those who set up the money system. And money is still the medium of exchange on this planet. And everything that you behold on this planet, it is imaginary. It's all an illusion. It's an illusionary world, because you are the dreamer beholding the dream. And so because most people do not realize that this life is a dream, they do not realize also that they can dream their life how they want it to be. They could dream of money, and money would come to them physically, tangibly. Most people are not aware of that because they are not aware of energy, vibration and frequency. And the whole reason for that is because most people do not know that their real identity is their divinity, and they do not know that they are magnetic and electrical. And the greatest mystery can never be known intellectually. It must be by experience. Therefore, it's only until you put what is being said to you to work in your life and prove it for yourself that you would realize that truly imagination creates reality, and that you can create your life how you want it to be. So every waking day of your life, you're supposed to speak money into your life. You're supposed to think about money. You're supposed to print money in your mentality, because you are a photogenic being. You can photograph anything in your mind. You can create any image in your mind. You can hold any kind of image also in your mind, and you already know the image of money, and you already know what currency that you are using. You can see the image of your bank account in your mind, and you can print as much money as possible that you want on your account. Anything that you can behold with your eyes, your physical eyes, you can also behold it in imagination. Because the eternal body of man is the imagination. And that is God, the Creator Himself. Which means that the creative power is in you, and the creative power is what creates our prints money. And all of that, as I said before, it's manipulation of energy. Everything is a transmutation of energy. Money is a transmutation of energy. But you have to realize that its whole origins is from thought forms. And realize that your brain is a transmitter and a receiver of frequency. So when you have your desire, when you have your goal, when you have your dream, it's in thought form, and it is hidden deep within you. And as long as you impress your subconscious mind with the feeling that it is already done, and you already have that which you desire, and you already be that which you desire, you just have to live in that feeling of your wish fulfilled, and live your life knowing that you are impregnated with whatever you so desire, and that there's a lot of gestation, and that the time would come when it will be manifesting, because you are vibrating to that level of frequency to attract it to you. So most people believe when they speak about creating is that you're going to think something out of nothing. But no, everything is already here. But when I speak about creating, I'm speaking about you manipulating energy. You working with energy, vibration, and frequency. You working in alchemy and becoming an alchemist, knowing that you can create all things, knowing that all things are possible to you, because we are living in an imaginary world, and everything was for us imagined, everything was for us a thought, everything was for us an idea, including money. So my brother, my sisters, think about money every day of your life. Appreciate money and love money, but remember, love yourself first. Self-love must always be first before you can love anything else. So that's how you can create money every day. You think about it every day and visualize about it every day. How much you want in your bank account, how much you want in your business, and what service you want to give, and how you can better your service to increase your money. So you are always a money machine. You are the real mint, where money is minted, because money is actually minted from the mind of man. Every piece of machinery in this world came from the mind of man. Everything came from the mind of man. The whole universe is mental. So my brother, my sisters, grab hold of your mind and believe in yourself. Trust imagination. Live by imagination. Morning, noon, and night. Do not let the things that are happening around you distract you from believing in your higher self, your God self, your creative self. So, my brother, my sisters, start now if you haven't started as yet. Every morning as you wake up and affirm what you want in your life, financially speaking. And last thing before you go to bed, affirm and visualize that which you so desire financially in your life also. Okay? As a matter of fact, in every way, you should use your imagination so that you will live this abundant life here and live the highest version of yourself. It is your right. Grab hold of it. Okay? So, with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to thank you very much. These are just some short words of wisdom and encouragement to you, to help to build you and strengthen you in these times. If this is the very first time that you're listening to me and what I'm saying, it makes sense to you and it really resonating with you, and you haven't subscribed already, I encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you would like to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at BlackMadGuru. And if you would like to support this work, there are two ways you can support this work. You can support this work by Patreon, or you can support this work by our PayPal, and the link is down below. Feel free to check out the PayPal link that is down below if you feel led to do so. When it comes to the Patreon, there's a lot of good information that's there for you. But for those who would like to do the Inner Sun Science and Technology course, it's for $20 or more. You can, tap into that course, the Inner Sun Engineering, to create your reality consciously. And we are living in a time when they want to black out the sun and they want to dim the sun, when they get to believe in a S-O-N as the light of the world. And common sense will teach you that no S-O-N could be born unless there first be the S-U-N. So without the sun, as in the S-U-N, there's no life and there is no light. And remember that the sun, as in the S-U-N, parallels the human imagination, and the human imagination parallels the sun. For without the sun, there's no life and there's no light, and without the human imagination, there isn't anything made that was made. So my brother and my sisters, learn to see things through your mind's eye. Okay? Through the eye of the sun, through the eye of imagination, through the eye of God in man. So with that being said, my brother and my sisters, I want to say thank you for tuning in. Peace. Love you all. I'm out.